I'm not going to analyze it. I have my serious objection on this, and I will.
What you have to do, you're saying I'm not going to do it.
Well,
you have challenged the law, you have to do, you have to challenge it.
Appeal shall lie within 30 days.
We've read the English of it. What's wrong with it? Tell us that.
Post-
The way I was taught law was not the counsel asked questions from the bench. It was the bench would ask questions. Are you supporting this provision or not? First say, yes I am, no I am not. These are my reasons.
My lord, I have reservations on this.
You may have reservations. Tell us what's unconstitutional about it.
Then let me explain it to them, because if I start explaining it at this stage, it will take your time. But I will say this thing, that this Section 5
should is different from ultra vires of constitution.
It ought to have been given.
What then? You go and move a bill in Parliament. We are saying, are you opposed to Section 5? Give us legal reasonings, or you say it's okay. अब उनसे आप पूछेंगे